Paul Huffaker, owner of RaceSource Incorporated and driver of the Gravedigger monster truck. Over the last few years, Mastercam has really helped me develop my business. Where we went from running manual machines, we're now using CNCs and designing and building all of our components for the trucks in-house. We used to outsource. Now we're 100% in-house. We're able to design and build the same day a lot of times on our components. And we utilize Mastercam in every facet of what we do. Since Mastercam came on 5 years ago, our capabilities are unlimited. There's no design that comes in the door or idea that we have that we cannot implement both in design and machine work. Something always breaks every weekend at the monster truck events, whether it be axle shafts or sway bars, and using Mastercam, we're no longer at the mercy of outside sources for our machine components. We design, build the parts in-house, so we're able to build our replacement parts in the 2 to 3 days that it takes to get the trucks back on track, ready to go for the next event in the next city. The local support is unsurpassed. If I ever have a question, I just pick up the phone. Those guys are there immediately to help walk me through a problem. You know, in the past, a lot of what kept me from being able to change the design on parts was the expense incurred or the time that it took to get someone else to take my ideas, change a drawing, and cut a new part for me and send it back over for me to look at. Now, if there's a design change that I want, I just go right into Mastercam, change the part up, whether it's as simple as taking a part like this and I find that I would rather change a radius in that corner to, facilitate machining, or change the way the logo is on it. I change the part in minutes, and that day I've got ready to go parts again. I owe a lot of my success over the last 5 years to Mastercam. The partnership between Mastercam and RaceSource has proven to be a winning combination. Here are some of the components that make up the monster truck shocks that we've used Mastercam to design and machine. We have valving pistons utilizing both lathe and mill operations, shock clamps, mill, the main shaft end caps. We're doing lathe work, both ends, mill work. In the 4th axis, we're doing all the engraving, spanner holes, and the port for the oil in and out. The shock tubes. These are all lathe ops, the grooving operation on here, threading, a little bit of boring action going on it. Another tube with lathe. The massive shafts that we use in these things are 1.5 inch chrome rod, lathe operations on both ends for profiling and threading. And you take all these components along with a few other small pieces, and then you have a ready-to-go monster truck racing shock. This sway bar arm is another example of how we use Mastercam on a daily basis here in our shop. Although we created a simple 2D drawing, we did all the design work for these in Mastercam prior to putting the tool path to them to cut them on a water jet. Let me take you for a quick walk around the truck, show you some of the pieces that Mastercam's helped me design and build. Steering cylinders, purpose-built, auto return to center units, sway bar arms, shocks, shock caps, all different components for the motors, whether it be the alternator assemblies, pulleys, motor plates, crank drive assemblies. We even draw the headers up in Mastercam prior to bending the tubing. Intake manifold systems designed in Mastercam. Weld-in bushings or bungs for the 4-link bars, threaded bungs. Chassis brackets. We draw all this stuff up in Mastercam also. If you go up inside the cab, seat brackets that we're milling out, tilt steering, just everywhere. Anywhere you look in these trucks is a part or a component that we've designed and built in Mastercam. When you think about monster trucks, you probably think of hammers, wrenches, and sockets. But I'll tell you, Mastercam is the tool I reach for most often in my toolbox. All right, you've seen my race shop. you've seen my machine shop, you've seen my office. Now get the hell out.